What's happening, guys? Welcome. There you go. What's happening, guys? Welcome to David's channel. Today we are trading live with you guys. Let's get started. So I want you guys to remember what we will be doing is an analysis. Don't take this as a financial advisory. We do not do advisory. We suggest you do your own trade and make your own decisions, but we are here to learn, to share ideas, and to create a community so we can trade and have a financial freedom as we always imagine. Because if you are here, it's because you're like me. So let's get started. I want to start with EURUSD. This is a trade that we actually placed around Monday/Sunday because we were looking at market structure and we talked about it yesterday that there is a channel, and you can see there is a channel, but with the current market structure in the 4-hour chart, we can see that it broke a trend line. The first time around it did go down, so that was expected, and we were expecting the pullback to actually retreat to that price and see where it will be heading, because the euro right now is in a bearish momentum versus the US dollar. The US dollar currently, it is very, very, very strong, and we can see over here why we made the decision. First of all, the first decision was made here because it broke the trend line in the 4-hour. As you can see, it broke this trend line. The other confirmation is that this is a zone, and you can see it was extended yesterday. The price rejected. We had some candles identified as changing momentum to sells, and we had the opportunity to enter this market here with a 17 pips stop loss versus a 68 pips reward, and we are basically hitting that zone in a few seconds. And this is amazing because the trade, it has been achieved, even though we can expect a move downwards, maybe to fill this wick over here, and the possibility to actually come over here to 1.111. That's an opportunity, and I'm very bearish on the euro until it reaches 0.06. That's my target. This is I have added this, but you can see that the target has 5,759 pips, and you are risking 200 pips. So keep that in mind. Maybe that will guide you in making a decision. Just start very far away and start going closer. You'll see the patterns, and you can set yourself a goal for each trade. I've been part of this group for a long time where the target every day is 10 pips. 10 pips, that's all you need. 10 pips keeps the stress away. That's their motto. I like that, actually. So in this case, my reason why I'm doing it more than 10 pips is because EURUSD moves differently, and I can see the targets with the zones, and I can set myself a 10 pip target every day, but I can basically open 3 positions, close 2, and let 1 ride with a stop loss in profit in break even, just in case. So let's say that you did that, right? Let's see price range. Let's say you did that here. So for 10 pips, this is 10 pips. You could have closed there, see, and let 1 ride. Fine, let 1 ride. And why? Because it's gonna consolidate. Price is never gonna push the same direction the whole time. It needs to correct. So that's what it did. So we're very close to this. I think this trade is, I think it's like over. Like it's just there, and I believe I'm gonna close some positions, and let me just do that right now. Oh, let's wait for 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Oh man, look at this. 5 minutes is so bearish. I mean, we can close. We can close and put your stop loss in profit, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see gold. Gold has been very interesting today. I did an analysis in TradingView. You guys can follow me, Deived. Just look for it in TradingView, and we can see that we got a like a type of triangle pattern. It looks like a downwards pattern. At the moment, it seems bearish. The reason why is because we got the 4-hour trend line. It broke another 4-hour trend line. This is more of a like a head and shoulder if you take a look at it too. And this is like the double touch in the trend line. This wick wasn't there today. It went down, it went up, it went down. So this is being pretty it's pretty active. Gold has been pretty active. Price is doing its jumps. It's very scary to look at, but gold has good market structure. You guys can see it. It just breaks trend lines. It has zones. It is very risky. I do suggest using a broker that lets you trade gold with 0.01, because he will give you an opportunity to trade it without risking that much. Because if you use Trader's Way, you need to have position of 0.1, and that's kind of not fair. We're actually looking to capitalize with as less risk as we can. 0.01 in EURUSD can give you 50 pips. Can give you $5 because he's 50 pips, right? As you can see over here, we just made a move of 68 pips. That's $7 per 0.01, and that's what we're looking for. Low risk, high reward. Let's take a look now at. Okay, let's wait for those 2 minutes. Let's give those 2 minutes and let's see what happens with the EURUSD. I believe I can have 2 screens. I want to do this for EURUSD, and I want to do it for gold as well. I want to see gold because I'm in gold, and gold actually 4-hour candle finishes now. 1 minute. Let's see this, guys. We got 4-hour here for, no, this is 1 hour for EURUSD. 4-hour already finished, so this is gonna be a new hour candle. This is gonna be a very good move. There's news coming up too as well, guys. Just be cautious. Stop loss in profit, please. And let's see how the market moves. Let's be patient. Be patient. Hey guys, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm looking at myself. Okay. I've been having issues here. Whoa. Good thing is the first ones. Okay, guys. Okay, here we are. Here we are back. Trying to make sure that everything. Okay, so we're taking a look. There we go. There we go. There we go. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, guys. We have made the trade. We have made, I believe we made the trade. Look at that. Look at both. Look at 4-hour for gold. I'm gonna close gold a few positions here. EURUSD, man, I don't know. I know our target is here, but EMA is crossed, I'm just gonna close a few positions, move the stop loss for the others, and let the thing ride, because when you're in profit, you gotta let some ride. Okay, let's see. Oh, there you go. 11,402. This is pretty exciting. And we can start looking at other stuff as well. I want to look at Aurora Cannabis. I want to take a look at Chronos. I want to take a look at Cinerba. I want to take a look even at USD CAD. There was some news for USD CAD. There we go. Take profit rich. It has reached. We have made our profit for the day. I will suggest closing a few positions, guys, and I'm doing so right now. It obviously can keep going lower. I just wanna have a little bit of profit as well. Need to secure the bag. Kibeji. I remember there was this guy called Kibeji. That was a beautiful trade. And I still believe he's gonna go down. Let's take a look at the daily. Look at that. Look at that candle. I've been waiting for that move. Okay, so done. Close some positions, profit. Now let's take a look. Return over here to one chart. Gold has to mature a little bit. And look at this. I believe this is gonna keep going down. Just needed to take some profit, guys, because you gotta like secure some of it at least. Now let's move to. I wanna take a look at USDJPY for a quick second. USDJPY. Oh, wait. Thank you for reminding this, man. USD CAD. Oh, it actually went up. Let's take a look. So the news was good. So my trade almost hit take profit. Almost. That's why you put stop loss, guys. You gotta make sure that you keep those pips. I didn't lose anything. I just did break even with USD CAD. I had a short, but the dollar is so strong. I just believe it's just gonna keep going. I wanted to take a look at USDJPY since dollar is very, very strong, and this is a love and hate relationship I have with the USDJPY. The only reason I'm looking at this is because 4 hour has reached a zone. Actually, I don't believe it is the 4 hour. I believe it's like, yeah. See, this is the daily. So it has reached a zone in the daily, and we can see that it needs to pull back. So we can see that this zone over here is gonna be retested. I believe that. Maybe it can even go even higher. Who knows? But this is the USDJPY. Sometimes is kind of crazy. Made good profit. I've lost profit. Is a joker. It will laugh at you. Will leave you behind, man. Oh man. Okay. Moving on. Aurora Cannabis. Okay, are we still streaming? Oh my god. It's nothing in my window. Ew. There you go, guys. Oh my god, I've been talking like that for a while. No. Good thing is the first one. Okay, guys. Okay, here we are. Here we are back. I've been having issues, man. Oh my god. Can you see this screen? Yes, 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 we can. Oh my god. I need a dual monitor for this. Starting to realize it. What's up, Byron? Welcome. I'm trying to do this as best as I can, my friend. I hope you enjoy the analysis we're doing. I'm gonna take this out for a little bit. And so I can see what you're saying, my friend. Welcome to the channel. We're doing live trading in the Forex market, and we're doing live. Okay. Man, I'm having issues with the OBS. I gotta get this stuff going on, man. Anyways, finally, we're here. Let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis. I wanna see, where are you from? What platform are you using in your country? Hey, High Priestess. I am from Puerto Rico. I've been having issues here, guys. I'm trying to close programs now. Hopefully that will get it better. So, answering your question, I am from Puerto Rico. I recently moved to Chicago. The platform I'm using is tradingview.com. So I'm gonna share it with you guys so you can have it in the chat room. I highly recommend using TradingView for analysis. It is very, very powerful. If you have the opportunity, pay for it. There's a lot of interface change. There's a lot of interfaces changes that you can apply to it. Anyways, let's start looking at the charts. As expected, EURUSD reached our take profit. It has reached very nicely. We took some profit. What we did is we moved our stop loss to the higher 4-hour candle. It can either be here or it can be here. It really depends on your position, obviously. It was a successful trade. I hope you guys actually took it. Market structure, very beautiful, shows it. And sorry guys. And we can see that it was a beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Get this image again. Man, this is turning me crazy. I'm trying to do this live stream better, as best as I can, but it's just the platform that I'm using just gets broken, and the microphone, I don't have a stand. But this is the start of something cool. I think it will help me out to actually provide information to you guys. So thank you, Byron, for asking, for coming to the chat. Thank you, High Priestess, for asking that question. Hopefully you will find TradingView a good platform. Wow, I'm trying very hard, man. This OBS is doing stuff. We're back. So we can see that EURUSD actually hit our take profit and is starting to bounce again, and that's pretty normal. We can expect EURUSD to, let's do some probabilities. So it went over here. Now we can expect this to go over here again, maybe to the Fibonacci, to the 61.8, and maybe, or it can even reach a little bit higher to the 5, and it can just go down again and break that support. We don't know. We just gotta wait. Right now it's just doing that pullback that we expected. That's why we put stop loss. That's why we close positions. Hopefully you guys did the same. I want to take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a very interesting animal. Let's see over here. Hopefully you guys can have the image now without any issues. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Very interested in the 4-hour because it started a 4-hour like an hour and a half ago, almost 2 hours ago, a little bit more. And we see here, so that's a resistance. So we gotta wait and see if it will break. Honestly, Bitcoin got me yesterday. It closed me here. I had a stop loss at 8,430 or 450. But thankfully, I managed my risk and it wasn't that much. But Bitcoin is gonna go up. You just need to know when to enter, so you can reduce the amount of money you can lose and have a good amount of margin. You just gotta wait. At least try to have $100 on Bitcoin in Coinbase or something. I actually believe that Bitcoin is gonna be something important in our daily lives. Look at this, guys. We can see, wow, EURUSD actually doing what we expected. Wow. Let's see gold. I'm very curious with gold because gold closed a 4-hour candle bearish, but it's still like trying to save itself in this little trend line, and just gotta wait for that. Gold moves pretty interestingly. It has a lot of movement, creates some weird spikes. So what we can see in the daily, let's take a look here at the daily. I think it's very, very important. We can see there's a zone here, a daily zone in gold. Yesterday's candle was a bearish engulfing with a wick. So I believe that gold is gonna go down. It's gonna retest the price again at 1274.76, or it can reach 1271. So I suggest taking profit, closing, putting stop loss. We did the analysis in TradingView. You can follow me, Deived. Just look for it on the search. You'll have the opportunity to follow all my trading analysis. I do daily videos. This is something new that I'm doing. I hope that you guys can enjoy this because it is something that is helping me out to get my trades better and better and better every day, because I do know the power of Forex. I do know the power of investment in the stock market. I just need to create the best trading plan. I gotta be focused. I gotta look at the charts and make decisions based on the chart, not on my emotions. Do you get that? Let's take a look over here. Look at this. Look at this. 15 minutes. It's the 15 minutes. This is crazy. It's a mess. Look at those spikes. But you can see price testing the zone and just trying and just like, no. Leave me alone. Oh, man. EURUSD. Look at this. Oh, man. EURUSD. Taking a dive. Okay, I want to take a look at some stocks. I wanted to discuss ACB. A lot of people investing in ACB. I believe it is a good company. I really like ACB. It's just that it needs a retracement. It's just market structure. Market needs to breathe. I don't mind going down because that way I'm gonna pick up more positions. Let's take a look at the daily for a quick second. So we can see there is like a zone here. This is very different to what Forex market actually is. But we can see here that there's different areas that we can make decisions. Obviously it's not here, so we gotta make a decision at 766. That's a good place for you to analyze, is it a good opportunity, or the other case, I hope it's not the case. It will go to $6, so $5 to $6. Market structure is there. I mean, it can happen, but at the same time, it just can happen. Maybe it doesn't happen. But I do trust this company. I like the company. I actually have been looking at Departure Capital's videos every day, and it is pretty interesting how he brings the trading to the table, and how to not only analyze like the charts, is to analyze the company and the news that's coming out. They had a new investor come in from Procter & Gamble, and that guy is gonna take the company to another direction, and I hope it's going to be up. But we can see, that we are in a consolidation. We can't even mark this, but I'm expecting maybe price to hit 766. I just don't like this EMA cross. These are very good indications of EMA cross, but that's why we gotta wait for this bounce, because we still have a cross over here. Moving up, let's take a look at Chronos. Chronos has been a pullback, very nasty pullback. It was overvalued. A lot of people got in the hype. A lot of people got in and got out at 25. Good for them. We got in at 575, I believe. It is a 1498. We're taking analysis for this. It broke one trend line, two trend lines. This is the third one. Let's see what happens. Maybe this is the case with the ACB, what we were talking about the 200 EMA being touched and maybe having the pullback. Let's see what happens. We gotta be patient with this. Maybe some news. Maybe the voting for the management. Synerba, look at this. We talked about this, guys. Synerba just has bounced on the pullback. This is an opportunity, guys. I mean, I'm not saying that you should invest. I'm just saying that I'm looking at this, and that's a pullback that I've been expecting for a little bit. Even though the market is down, I'm looking at it right now, and it seems like this trading war is not helping us that much. But sometimes things are needed to happen. Who knows? But this is something I was expecting, because Synerba, it reached $16, which we already marked before, and let's see. So this is a good opportunity. I do believe Synerva is gonna keep going up. It has a bullish momentum. It's just, look, it just bounced here on the 38 of the Fibonacci. It almost reached the 61.8. I believe he actually did. Maybe I did not draw it correctly, but we can see the different zones. And I've been having a discussion in TradingView. You can join us with an analysis that we did. And the reasons why I entered Synerva was because when the price was at 535, I saw it was creating higher lows, and it broke a trend line, like a very powerful trend line, which is the weekly trend line over here, this one. And I was expecting the EMAs to cross. They did cross. They created the push. It actually went to 1674, and now is an opportunity, I believe, to maybe consider buying positions. And look at this. This is a zone. And Synerva, for some reason, it has very, very good market structure. Look at this. It bounced here. Let's change the color here. Just so, like, if it's bearish, I like to have it red. If it's bullish, I put it blue or green. let's see what happens. This is a very interesting position. Guys, this is a very interesting position. Don't you think? Anyways, for me, it looks good. Let's take a look. I wanted to take a look at... let's take a look at Apple. Apple has been struggling, right? But the market structure says other things. This is very, very interesting. So Apple is not doing great with the situation with the trade war, and market structure says that there was something that was gonna happen. We can see a zone over here. This is a strong zone. Actually, if we go even further, I think we can see. And there was this gap too that needed to be closed. I don't even know why that's like that, but so take a look at the daily. So here it is, something like that. There you go. Yeah, this is kind of like a zone, you see? And then we can see this trend line. When he broke that trend line, I actually entered the market. This was in January. And then the market went up, fine, beautiful. And then it started declining because the news that came out, I think it was something about privacy policy. And now the situation with China is a reality we gotta face. And I did a Fibonacci level here, and to see, just to have a little bit of perspective, and it seems that the market was actually bouncing on it. Like, for example, yeah, let's take it over there. It's like when this starts. So 61.8. So it bounced, and then let me see. Man, sometimes I'm messing with this Fibonacci. Oh, maybe just hit the 61.8. Look. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe this is starting to be this. Maybe it goes up. I don't know. You gotta wait for confirmation. Okay. I want to return here to the euro. So 9:25. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Let's look at... Oh my god. That's what we wanted to see. That's what we wanted to see. That's what we wanted to see, guys. There you go. Gold doing its move. Just gotta make sure, protect your winnings, put stop loss in profit as much as you can, as fast as you can as well. This is what we were expecting. This is a good situation that we're having right now. Let's see. Even EURUSD is trying to like hold on to its life, but it's like, no, I don't wanna. Okay. Wanna see if somebody's here. So EURUSD looking pretty interesting. See Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin, you're always doing doing shenanigans. Okay, But gold did it. Gold did it. I told you guys. There you go. That's the update from this morning. I knew this was gonna happen. Lower lows, rejecting price in the daily zone, which is a very important zone, and exactly what we did with Euro USD. Close positions and move stop loss in profit. You should be fine. The most important thing is to protect your profits. Don't do the mistakes that I've done before. This is a very, very important lesson in life if we want to keep growing and become financially free. I do recommend having that opportunity to save, to analyze. And if you lose, here's the thing. If you lose, it's the best opportunity to take a look, have a retrospective and say, what did I do wrong? Why did I put so much? Why did I invest so much? Why did I was looking for such a long take profit? So in this case, we just said, hey man, we're only risking 23 pips. Instead of putting 0.1, we just put 0.01 and say we can lose $2.30 or we can make $10.96. Does that make sense? Obviously it makes sense. Let me see something. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, exactly. I hope it keeps going down. See the euro. Let's see euro. Okay, 30. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Oh, what a range. And that's because of the news. So the news made the push that it needed, and then it just retraced as it could, and you started to go down again. Like gold. Okay, 30 minutes. It ended up with kind of like a. Is this like a kangaroo tail? Something like that, right? Let's look at the 4 hour because for me, high time frame. Oh my God, it's still bearish. So we gotta see what's gonna happen. Maybe see, this is what I was projecting, guys. This goes over here and then maybe over here, something like that. But we don't know. Maybe he's gonna keep going down. Let's look at gold. Oh my yo. Good gracious. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So how many pips were there? Let's see. Do I have this position correctly? Yeah, so it's 48 pips already. 48 pips already. And look at Apple. Look at Apple. Look at that bounce. Oh, is it true? Is it true? I don't know. Maybe. Still on a downtrend, but oh my God, I think this is a good opportunity. Who knows? Because I've been looking to buy Apple because I knew it was gonna go down. Yep, looking good. Okay, maybe it can even go lower because I think, well, who knows? That's kind of like a bullish candle. Okay, some people like GBP/JPY. Should we look at GBP/JPY? No. Should we? Nah. Yeah. See, no. Oh man. GBP. Oh my god. Oh my god. This trade is like, oh my god. Is he looking to fill that wick? I'm sure it is. This is a very, very expensive trade, but the opportunity seems pretty legit. Anyways, let's keep with our EURUSD. 2 more hours. Look at gold. Go gold. Waiting for that hour to complete. Yeah, the reason why I have this trend line here is I have another one which is against the body of the candles, which I did not do a good job. Okay, there you go. That's it. So we can see a head and shoulders here. It's so crazy. Look at this. Some people call this head and shoulders. This is like the left shoulder, I guess, the head. And I thought this was the right shoulder. No way, bro. This is the right shoulder. So that's how it looks. Daily zone. Guys, I think we should be good for today. I've presented so many ideas. I want to keep doing this every day. Just join me and let's see if we can make our life financially free. As a reminder, we do not do financial advisory. We are just making analysis with the trend, with the price action, market structure. And if you have a comment, just comment below. Subscribe to this channel and like it. And if you like this, I will keep doing it. Like, I just want to document my trading styles and my progress. Right now, I want to create a video to provide the basics, the platforms that I'm using, the tools that I'm using. I know there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but this is progress, and like trading, you just grow little by little. Thank you very much, guys, and